Hi gang, hey, I just wanted to show you guys something really quick here. It's like today I'm going to be making some homemade, it's basically ricotta cheese. It's an Italian ricotta cheese cookie, and I'm going to be using the organic soft white wheat flour here, and I'm going to be making it here in the handy dandy, leaf flour mill that I got, which is, you guys are all been hearing about how excited I am about that. So I'm going to get this thing plugged in here, and then we're going to load it up, and we're going to start making some flour. So I'm going to get this thing set. Okay, now I've already got 2 cups measured here. So you put 2 cups of the flour in here. I should say the grains. You put the grains in there, and 2 cups will make 4 cups of flour. So you guys ready? It's gonna be a little noisy here, so hang on here. Watch this. Okay, I just got done grinding the flour here, so I'm gonna take this off of here because you need to have a bowl where you can get the flour, because it's like, it really, it can make a bit of a mess. But again, that's why I have the towel down here too, so it catches a lot of that. And you can see my arm's a little bit full of it too, but look, got nice ground flour right here. It's already all sifted, so it's like ready to go. That's why 2 cups of the grain, the wheat flour, makes 4 cups of finished flour right here. So there you go. So now moving on to the next section, we're gonna start making the cookies. Hey gang, we're on this part 2 here. Now this is where we get to mix everything together for making these Italian ricotta cookies. So first thing we're gonna do here is we're gonna put in we got sugar in here first of all, and then we're gonna put some butter in here too. And it calls for a lot of butter, big, huge amount, because these are gonna be really good for you. Some Kerrygold butter. Start mixing it up. Then I'm gonna add into it 2 tablespoons of vanilla. So we got some vanilla extract. Like also 2 tablespoons, so that's a good vanilla flavor here. Yeah, be generous. Is that generous enough? Yeah. Okay. There's one. Oh yeah, double yolker. You can't see the difference, gone. Okay, so we got the ricotta cheese. We're adding in 16 ounces of 32. We've already used half of this for something else, lasagna. We're gonna add all this in there now. These are gonna be, like I said, these are gonna be some good hearty cookies. Okay, so we've already got all of our wet ingredients all mixed up here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in the dry ingredients next. This is the flour that we just ground. So now we also added in some baking soda and baking powder, and then we're just gonna add this all together, and then we'll pretty much have our dough. We're all set to go here. So let's get this going here. A little bit, makes it a little easier. You can see it's starting to really thicken up now, the dough. After I'm done mixing this all up here, we're gonna stick it in the refrigerator for a little while too to get it to harden up a little bit more before we start making the cookies. All right, cookies are all done here, and we did a little modification to these Italian ricotta cookies here. We actually did white and dark chocolate with them. So the white chocolate, and I'm more of a dark chocolate fan right here, but I tell you what, after tasting these are really good. These are like amazingly good. So normally I go for these, but these ones right here, the white chocolate, they're a fantastic cookie. So if you do this, get some white chocolate chips to put in these. They're great. So I hope you guys give this a try, because I'm gonna have some right now. Get the white chocolate.